Today we will be ripping open a UCC blaster box by Topps. Within this box you can find 4 Inferno Parallels and 1 relic per box. In addition to those items you can also pull a autograph card. Now this isn't guaranteed for every box, but you can see right here, here is a nice R9 Ronaldo autograph. Now within this box itself you will find 7 packs, so that is 7 chances to pull a potential parallel or autograph card on top of our 4 Inferno Parallels and 1 relic card. So let's stop talking and start opening these packs. Now as mentioned, a autograph card is not guaranteed, and we also don't know the odds for pulling an autograph card as they are not currently on the Topps website. So let's see what we get in our first pack. So we're kicking it off with a Brighton rookie card, followed by a Modric, followed by a normal, just again another base card. So we're not guaranteed anything too special, we're not even guaranteed any inserts itself. So let's see, another rookie card. Rookie, we got Mbappe Jr. here, looking very nice, and a Martinelli. So we do have an Inferno in this pack to kick off the opening. So we got a Royce. Can they win the Champions League this year? And our first Inferno card is a Lozano, who plays for PSV. So quite nice, and you can see there you have some details on the card about the player itself. Pack number 2. So again, we are hoping for a parallel card or an auto that would make this video and really make the value of this box go up. So you can pick up this box for £25, I believe it was, from Game. So it's, for value wise, it's quite a good box to be opening up. And we have our first insert card. So we have a Trent Alexander European Knights, very nice. And to finish this pack off, we have a Rodrigo in the Real Madrid shirt. Let's see what else we can get. I'm not sure what relic, well, what players come with the relic card. You might have seen that star on the front of the box. So that is the relic that is guaranteed. But can we pull anything else in this pack today? So I'm seeing another insert here. So we have another rookie card, quite nice, a Yamal. And our next insert card is a Road to London Dembele card. And we will be finishing it off with another Inferno insert. Oh, so we have a rookie for this Inferno insert, which is a good sign, and it is a Ajaxen who plays for Laszlo. So I'm not too familiar with him, but you can see how much this Inferno card pops. It is a very nice design. Can we get a Jude Bellingham auto? I think that is probably the current chase card this season, a Jude auto. The next, I guess, go-getter card. So we got a Dumfries for Inter. We have another rookie going on here. We have another, I guess not even an insert, but a Sevilla FC title winners card. That's quite nice. And we have a Mo Salah. Oh, we have a Future Stars insert here. So we haven't seen one of those so far. That is very nice. We got an All-Star rookie trophy going on there. We have, oh, a Ronaldinho. So this, I'm not too familiar with this insert here, so just get Kimmich out the way. So we have a Ronaldinho. So this is what, a blast from the past card. So we got a Barcelona 4-1 card where Ronaldinho scored a hat-trick. So that is quite a nice card. If these ones came autographed, that'd be winning in my opinion. So we're getting closer. We've pulled a Ronaldinho insert card. Is that a sign of good things to come? Is that a good luck symbol that we might be pulling a bit of a legend auto today? So we got KDB getting a bit of slander these days. Today we got a Toon Army card. We then have a bit of Celtic. Good to see Celtic getting some recognition. Rookie card. And we have another insert here. We have a European Knights. Again, another Celtic card. And oh, we have another insert here. This one's a hollow insert. Let's see what that one is. Is it an Mbappe? No, it is a KDB Power the Citizens Forward UCL Final. Best of the best. So that is a very nice card. Even though I am wearing a Liverpool top, you can get a Man City like title winners card. If we get that card, I will be cutting it in half. Oh, we got an Ollie Watkins. Oh, is this a parallel card? It's shiny. What have we got here? This is numbered 129 out of 250. So we have pulled our first parallel card. Now these cards are not guaranteed, so that is pretty cool to be pulling one of these in this box. On to our final 2 packets. I think this one is the relic card. It feels heavier, but I don't know if I'm imagining that. So the penultimate packet. Still haven't pulled an auto. We've pulled a parallel. But if we pull a parallel, that gives me a sign that there could be an auto in here. So this packet is backwards. So kicking it off, we've had a lot of rookies in this pack. Valdeverde, Silva, Danielo. We got a Ramos Jr. We got a insert Road to London here. I'm not rating this Road to London design. I think it's pretty lazy. And our final Inferno. It's not a rookie. It is a Ollie Watkins. How many Ollie Watkins are we pulling in this box? We pulled a base one, a Inferno one, and a parallel. So that is pretty wild for one box. But again, pretty nice design. And on to the final pack. This is the final pack. So within this pack is a guaranteed relic card. So let's pray for something good. Oh, what will we get? What are we hoping for? I'm not even sure what players the relic comes with, but it should be there. You can see that fat boy over there. So we've got an Inferno in this one as well. So we have I can't even say that player's name, but we have a Roma Inferno. So a defender, and it is looking pretty nice. So we'll put that to the side. Immobile. We then have, oh fuck, just ruined the relic. So we have, we've pulled this guy several times as well, base Inferno as well. So now we have a relic card of him. I don't know who he is. Plays for Celtic. Is he a forward? Congratulations. It does, yeah, forward. Fukarashi. I'm not even going to try to say the name because I'm just going to butcher it. So this is the relic card. This is the main pull you get in this set, guaranteed in every single box. What are you thinking about it? How are we feeling about the design? It's a heavy one. It's a thick one. The only problem with this is they call it a relic, but what is it relicking? It's just a piece of metal. To my understanding, it doesn't have any relevance to the player, to the set, to Champions League itself. It's just a metal piece, tops have printed off, put it in a card and called a relic. That is the Topps UCC blaster box, which you can find in game for, I think it was £25. It was either 20 or 25. In this box we have our relic, we have our 4 Infernos, which I haven't laid out, but we did pull this Ollie Watkins parallel right here out of 250. Value wise, it is a decent box. You get some good rips. Would you open this box? Let me know in the comments.